Welcome once again to Arizona's finest wood flooring company, Royal Wood Flooring. And we are in North Scottsdale where we'll be doing a wood floor demolition project removal. Since it was a little bit of a water damage, our client will be having it all removed and putting in a new tile flooring. So as you can see, we removed the quarter round piece by piece, and once we're done removing it, we always want to mark them so we know exactly when they go when we put them back. So we'll put one, two. So now we can actually put them together, but we'll know where they go. And the nails, to remove the nails, we've got to be very careful. And that's how we remove quarter round, and we'll be reusing it.
Before the demolition process can begin, Royal Wood Flooring will prep the work area. They will do this by removing the baseboards and cutting into the wood floor.
So this is what we'll be using to do the wood floor demolition. It is a National 5700 battery powered wood floor removal machine. Also good for tile or glue down carpet.
We will remove the old glue from the concrete floor. The old glue must be removed before laying down the new tile. Flooring must have a firm and hard surface to be glued to, otherwise you will have an uneven floor. Hot glue is applied to rough surface areas to loosen the old glue, so it is easier to remove. The floor is now prepared for installers to lay down tile. Let's take a look at the new floor.
Hi, I'm Joe Hammer from ThatSmallBusinessGuy.com. I work from home and I recently had water damage to my floor. I needed to have it removed, so I contacted Royal Wood Flooring to have it done. They were in and out of here in one day. That's good business. I highly recommend them.
Royal Wood Flooring is licensed, bonded, and insured. We are certified Bona Craftsmen, a member of National Wood Flooring Association, and a certified installer for Armstrong products.